All right, what up, you guys? We are officially on lesson 2, session 1. We're still going to be working with, we're approaching a new lesson. We're exploring unit rates for ratios with fractions. Unit rates for ratios with fractions. So unit rates involve a 1 in the denominator. For ratios with fractions. All right, here we have a picture. I think, is this a rug? Oh, it is, yeah, I see little things at the bottom. So Grace's grandmother weaves a rug, yes, I was right, that is 1/3 yards wide and 2 yards long. Just like in the previous one, I'm going to draw this. So the rug is 1/3 yards wide and 2 yards long. Let me actually make the rug. Let me make the picture. So 1/3 wide and 2 long. You might hear people in the background. It's because I'm at Vista. It's thing together right now. Okay. All right, let's keep going. Grace wants to weave a rug that uses the same design. So same one. So it looks like they want a scale drawing, that they want the same shape, but is 1 yard wide. How long will the rug be? So they want the new rug. I'll make it in blue. They want a new rug, but instead of being 1/3 wide, they want it to be 1 wide yard. So this is going to be our variable. We need to figure out how long will the rug be. How long will the rug be? Okay. All right. So then we'll do this one green. She wants to make a rug, but it's 1 yard wide. I'll put the new rug is 1 yard wide. The new rug is 1 yard wide. Cool. So now let's do this. So this is the old one. This is the new one. So the way that we can do this is that I like personally using a table. So I'm going to have, I'll put, we'll do how long it is in yards. And then how wide it is in yards. And I'll change the color too. I'll change this one to red and this one to blue. Okay, now let's make that table. I don't know how many squares we're gonna need, but I'll just make them as I go. So the first one, you know that this is gonna be one of the rug. That's the original rug. So 2 yards long and 1/3. All right, let's add by 1 because we want to get to until it gets to 1 yard. We're going to make a bunch of rugs, but we want to get to where it says 1 yard wide here. So from here, since it's 2, I'm going to add by 2. So 4. And then I'm going to keep going. Let me make another one and then another one. Okay, and then I'm going to add by 2 again. Now I'm going to keep going this one. Plus 1/3. That's 1/3 plus 1/3, 2/3. Plus another third, that is 3/3. 3 divided by 3 is 1. There it is, 1 yard wide. The wide is right here. And the last one, it's 6. So that means that the new rug is 6 yards long at 1 yard wide. So if the rug is 1 yard wide, it should be 6 yards long. There you go. Grandma's going to be very happy. Hooray. Okay, what did you do first to find the lengths? Well, I knew that they wanted to do a scale drawing. Scale drawings have scale factors, so they have patterns that go across like this. So if you want to make patterns, like the pattern keep going until you get to 1, you can do that. 2 plus 2 is 4, another 2 is 6, and then you could add by 1/3 at the bottom. So that's how you know that this is in fact the rug. Yeah, this is our original rug, and I'll even write it here too. This is our original rug, or our old rug, and this is our new rug. And yes, this is also a rug, but we don't want that rug. We want the one that has 1 wide yards. There you go. Okay. All right, this one. Let's connect it. You can simplify a complex fraction by dividing. Since a fraction bar represents division, oops, this here and this here, you can think of 2 divided by 1/3 as 2 divided by 1/3 also, from left to right like this. Now, I wrote this because, let's see, so 2, 4, 6. This is 1/3, 2/3, 3/3, or just 1, doesn't matter. So the reason why this is like this is because they're using these two numbers, 2 and 1/3. That's where those numbers came from. So when you grab these numbers and divide them, so let's write that down. 2 divided by 1/3. Then you can divide to simplify, basically KCF. So 2 divided by 1/3. So if you're dividing fractions, make it into a fraction, you could do KCF. And you get, and then you could find, it says, what is the unit rate for the ratio of lengths to widths of the original one? So they want the order lengths to width. So length should be on top. Wait, length to width of the original rug. Okay, let's do that. KCF. 2/1 divided by 1/3. If you want to find the unit rate, if you do KCF, it'll literally give you the unit rate. 2 times 3 is 6. 1 times 1 is 1. Notice that the 1 is in the denominator. So for 6 in length, yeah. Oh, that's what I did wrong. No wonder. I was a little bit confused a little bit. The length's at the top like this, and the width's at the bottom. So we'll turn that to blue, and we'll turn that into red. There you go. That makes more sense. I was very confused. I was like, for a little bit right now. So length over width. And if you're like, wait, how'd you get that? It even tells you here. Length to width. So 6 in length will give you 1 width. There you go, guys. Remember, if you want to find a unit rate whenever you're dividing fractions, all you got to do is KCF, and it'll immediately give you a unit rate. For every 6 in length, you will have 1 in width. Yeah. All right, you guys, have a good one. Like and subscribe as usual.